Hi, this is Granny B, and today I'm going to show you my Dog Piggy Bank. This is the side of the box. There are different colors of dogs available. And this is what happens. He's hungry, I'm hungry and want to eat. Throw in a coin. Put coin in food basin. Eat greedily and explode of madness food. And a thank you. Let's open up the box. And this is what he looks like. Let's get some coins ready and put them in a food bowl. We turn him around and do it one more time. I put some more money in. See how much he saved for me. Let's open it up. There we go. That is a lot. This was a short video today. This is my dog, a piggy bank. An angry cat didn't like it. You can tell. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.